Place your LP on the top of the machine. Turn on the rotation motor. Apply a thin line of cleaning solution across the LP. Using the fluid applicator brush, spread the fluid evenly across the LP grooves. Turn off the rotation motor and flip the LP over. Turn on the rotation motor and repeat steps 3 and 4. Put the LP clamp over the spindle and gently tighten it down on the LP. Turn on the rotation motor in either direction and switch on vacuum motor. Gently push down the vacuum swing arm until it contacts the LP surface. Let the LP spin for 2 or 3 rotations. Reverse the motor for 2 more rotations or until LP is dry. Switch off the vacuum motor, unscrew the LP clamp, and enjoy that clean vinyl.